Hi, I'm Cibil. Now I'm going to explain my second experiment in Unix lab. This is my questions in second experiment. That is finding the greatest number and find the grade for given mark, and then for pass or fail, then the calculators, and finding the word is vowel or not. So first I'm going to do my first question, that is finding the greatest of three numbers. I'm going to do it in putty. Okay, I already write the code, so I'm going to show. This is my code. First, this echo is to print, that is enter three number, just reading the three number, read number 1, number 2, number 3. Then if number 1 is greater than number 2 and number 3, then it will print the largest number as number 1. Then else if number 2 is greater than number 1 and number 3, it will print the largest number is number 2, else the largest number is number 3. This is for closing the if fi. For opening if, for closing fi. Now I'm going to compile this. So I'm entering some three numbers like 7, 8, 10, 10. The largest number is 10. Okay, next my question is find the grade for the given mark. I already wrote the code for that, so I'm going to show that. First, getting the internal mark, that is enter your internal mark, reading that as I, and enter the external mark, that is E. If E is less than 45, it will show that it is that is external is less than 45, it will show that it is fail. Else if that E plus I less than 50, it will show again you have failed. Then else if E plus I greater than 90, it will show us A grade. Then it is greater than 80, it show B grade. If it is greater than 70, it shows us C grade. If it is greater than 60, it shows us D grade. Greater than 50, it shows us E grade. Then closing the if. This is my second question. Answer for the second question. I'm going to compile this. Let's see what is happening. Just I'm giving the internal mark as 50, then external mark also as 50. It shows as A grade. Okay, because it's crossed the 100. If it is greater than 90, means it shows as A grade. Then I'm going to explain the third question. That is whether the given mark is eligible for pass or fail. That's the question. For that, pass fail. Dot sh. This is a question. This is a simple program. Getting the internal mark and external mark, and if it is greater than 50, sorry, less than 50, it shows you have failed. If it is greater, both the external mark and internal mark is greater than or equal to 50, it shows pass. You have pass. Let's compile this. Internal mark is just we try for fail. 20, external mark also 20. It shows you have failed. Then next question is for calculator. For that, this is the code. Arith.sh. This is the code that this not in this. For this. Now this is the first it will show us it is a calculator, then enter your number, that is getting the two number from user, that is A and B, and this is for choice. If you press uh, switch case, this is the switch case. If you press 1 for add, 2 for subtraction, 3 for multiplication, 4 for division, 5 for modulation, 6 for power, then if in case 1, C equal to, that is creating a new variable and storing that answer, and echoing, that is printing that answer, that is expression of $A plus $B, that is adding the A and B. Then for subtraction, this is for multiplication, division, mod, and power. Now we'll compile this. Entering your number, that is 4, 5. Then the command is, if I am going for multiplication of 4 into 5 is 20. Okay, it's correct. Then my next question is for vowel. Finding the word, it is vowel or not. Vowel or a consonant. That is for that. This is the oh, this is first enter your character, then read that. In case if that character is A, it shows it is vowel, or E, it shows it is vowel. A, E, I, O, U. That is, if it is A, E, I, O, it shows it is what? A vowel. Other than that, it will show it is a consonant. This is case opening, and it is for closing. And now we are going to compile this. Enter the character. I'm giving E. E is a vowel. Okay. Okay. That's it. I explained my questions.